Have you ever seen any headphone do this? Well, this is the Havit H655BT Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphones, which has a dual device connection, meaning you can connect the headphones to two devices at a time. When it comes to comfort, the earmuffs are so soft when you wear the earphones, but more on that later. The headphone costs around 48,500 Naira in Nigeria, which is equivalent to 29 US dollars. It has a good sound quality and noise reduction, which gives you the best listening experience. The battery supports 46 hours of playtime, and I love the support for game mode low latency. If you're in a hurry to get the Havit A655BT headphones, head over to the first link in my description to place an order. Now, let's dive into details about these headphones. Here is what the box looks like. It comes with a user manual, a product warranty card, a 3.5 mm audio cable for wired use if the battery runs out or you prefer an audio cable, USB Type-C cable to charge the device. And lastly, the headphones themselves are lightweight and have a premium matte finish with soft ear cushioning. When placing an order, you have the option to either add or remove a purse to carry the headphones around, but you would have to pay extra for that. The Havit A65BT features a durable plastic frame that keeps the headphone lightweight. The headphone comes in two colors, which is white and black, and as you can see, I have the black color. The headphones are lightweight and the ear cups are well padded, ensuring a comfortable fit during extended use. The controls are intuitively placed on the ear cup, including the buttons for volume adjustments, playback, activating noise cancellation, and in case you want to switch on or off the device. The tactile feedback is satisfying, making them easy to use without looking. Coming to sound quality, you get the best experience when using the audio cable, especially for video editors or PC or console gamers who prefer zero latency. This is why the headphones comes with audio cable, but for wireless connection, it comes with Bluetooth version 5.3. I'm going to test the game mode, so stick around. The bass on the Havit A65BT headphone is punchy and present, making it a great choice for bass-heavy genres like Afrobeats and Amapiano. The mid on the headphone is okay. The highs are crispy, which makes the headphone comfortable for extended listening session. The sound quality can be compared with Elu S30 headphones. I love how the ANC button is separated from other buttons, and looking at the ear cup, you would notice the ambient mode, which uses this outward microphone. The hybrid noise cancellation on the Havit A65BT headphone is surprisingly effective for its price range. The ANC works well and blocks out -35 dB of background noise. When playing music, you might not even notice when someone calls out your name. I can't ignore trying out the low latency game mode, which would be good for gamers. I tried the headphone while playing Call of Duty Mobile and Call of Duty Warzone. To enable the game mode, you need to double tap the ANC button. While playing the game, I noticed the audio latency is very low and not noticeable. In fact, it has 0.5 seconds latency. The Havit A655BT handles volume very well. Even at higher volume, the sound remains clean and minimal distortion. This makes them suitable for users who like their music loud without compromising clarity. The impressive 6 battery life is perfect, allowing you to enjoy longer playtime. Charging the headphones takes 2 hours to get to 100%. The battery life holds up well even with ANC enabled, providing 26 hours uninterrupted listening. While enabling ANC does consume additional battery, the headphones maintain an impressive runtime suitable for all-day use. Without ANC, you get 26 hours of battery life. The volume up or down button also function as the next or previous button when playing music. The power button can also be used to play or pause music. Power button can also be used to answer or reject calls, and lastly to activate assistance. In conclusion, the Havit A655BT headphones are an impressive choice for anyone looking for a balance of affordability, style, and functionality. The sound quality offers punchy bars, clear mids, and smooth highs, making them versatile for different music genres and use cases. The comfortable fit and lightweight design also makes them perfect for long listening section. Whether you are commuting, working, or relaxing at home, I love the inclusion of game mode, which would be suitable for gamers. The 76 hours of battery life is also great and gives longer playtime. The headphones cost 48,500 Naira, which is equivalent to $29. Head over to the link in my description below to place an order. They deliver a great value at their price point. If you're on the hunt for a stylish, budget-friendly wireless headphones with solid noise cancellation, the Havit H655BT headphone is worth considering. Thanks for watching this review, and don't forget to leave a like, share, and also subscribe to see more reviews like this. And let me know in the comment section what feature matters most to you when choosing headphones. I'll see you guys in the next video.